Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your go-to spot for the latest in tech. First up, let's talk design. The Vivo iQOO Z9s Pro sports a sleek and modern design with a vibrant, high-gloss finish. It's both stylish and ergonomic, fitting comfortably in your hand. Phone's design. Now, let's move to the screen. The iQOO Z9s Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a full HD Plus resolution and a blistering 120Hz refresh rate, you're guaranteed sharp visuals and ultra-smooth scrolling, perfect for gaming and streaming. Phone's processor. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. That means top-tier performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing. Display and camera. Let's not forget about the camera setup. The iQOO Z9s Pro boasts a triple camera system with a 64MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera. It's designed to capture vibrant, plus the 32MP front camera ensures your selfies are always on point. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.